Is your Kia Carnival's alarm constantly blaring? The most common culprits are the proximity antenna, also called the Prox sensor, door switches, and key fob malfunctions. The alarm system relies on the Prox antenna to detect your key fob, door switches to sense if doors are properly closed, and the key fob itself for authentication. False alarms often stem from signal interference, hardware failure, or software bugs. Try these quick fixes. First, perform a Prox antenna reset by cycling the ignition. Second, check door switches for corrosion or damage. Lubrication might help. Third, replace the key fob battery and repair it to the vehicle. If problems persist, water damage or electromagnetic interference might be the cause. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider these advanced solutions. Kia has issued technical service bulletins and recalls for alarm system issues, particularly related to faulty Prox antennas that trigger false alarms. Check if your Carnival, models 2017 through 2024, is affected by recall NHTSA campaign number 24VXXX. A software update via Kia Connect or dealer reprogramming may help, but hardware replacements are often necessary. Many owners have found success with DIY repairs, such as replacing door switches with aftermarket kits or recalibrating the Prox antenna via the infotainment system, as demonstrated in tutorials on YouTube channels like Auto Repair DIY. If you suspect a faulty Prox antenna, a dealer replacement costs around $450 in parts. Remember to check forums like kiaforum.com for shared experiences and solutions.